What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today we're going to put to the test camping gadgets. Let's see what I got this time. Got right here Oxford utensils cooking set. So press this, remove that, same thing here, and it is a folding one. Nice, and it's a latchet on it, so it locks up, and then right here slides in together, boom, clicks in, spatula, turns with the fork. Okay, and then right here buck lock, cooking knife, and right here bottle opener and corkscrew. Amazing. And let's put it all away because it's really easy to put it all away. This will sit in there really tight. Also back lock this way, still could use it when it's short, in case if I don't want it long I could use it short. Beautiful. Okay, to put it all away, which way? This way. Locks in into here. There's a little notch, and same thing here. There's a little notch. Just plug it in and slide it down till it clicks in. Boom, and then it stays together. It comes with a little holster as well. I love it. I got it here fill adjustment canisters to where I can add on up to 3 canisters to extend the cooking time. Then I remove this and then just plug in a regular stove and then I plug in this kind of stove, and then there's legs to stand it up, and now all I have to do is light it up. So now I can cook for a long time with this canister adjustment. Up to 3 canister. If you only have 2, no big deal. It will not go through, and just adjust it up and down. If one canister run out, it can keep going, and looks like I can keep cooking, and then just plug in another one and keep on cooking. Here's a little adapter that goes for canisters like that. Very nice. Plug it in, and then what I will do is attach like a little lantern like this, so that way it's a lot higher with the cover. Wow, it is a lot higher. I have to back up the camera even more. So then I would remove that, and then all I have to do is adjust. Okay, there's a safety right here. Adjust this, light it, and we have right here a flame. Adjust it a little bit less. Boom, and we have a much higher lantern. We can adjust it higher for the brightness. Love it. And now I can even hold it and walk around with it and set it somewhere else, but also it's higher, so it's more light, or like kind of spread. So this is very cool. I like that. Camping moon stove. Let's see what it's all about. Okay, there's a heat deflector. Opens up really good. It is big. And then just plug it in and twist, and there's a heat protector. Okay, let's check this out. Ooh, that's powerful. No wonder it has a heat protection right here. So in case I want to boil water fast, it's doing it. And of course I can simmer it down, highly adjustable. But very easy to blast it. Let's test it in the dark. That's powerful. That is incredible. Exotac Fire Rod V2. So we have right here a really long striker, and right here like a little hidden compartment with looks like 2 fire strikers. No, just one, but it could be cut in half. Fits in there really well. So this is really nice and fluffy. Boom. Close it. Waterproof. Nice lanyard. And this is replaceable because this compartment is so cool. Once this runs out halfway, maybe all the way, breaks. Replaceable for a new one. And now it's good looking again. It says Fire Rod Exotac. Beautiful. Very comfortable. Keychain out the front pencil. So I would push this down and release it. Otherwise, if I pull on it, it will not release. I'll have to push and pull. That is so cool. And then I put it down and then use it like a pencil. And this pencil is really nice. Let's see. Put on something thicker. It does not run out super easily. So I can draw, make notes. It is nice. Looks like a regular pencil, but it does not run out easily. But if it does run out, all I have to do is just unspin it and put a new one in, and boom, it comes with the replacers, and put it away. I like that keychain miniature pencil. I got it here, little lantern stove extension. Plug it in, and then we can plug in our lantern. Got the lantern going, plug it in, and now I can walk around with it, set it, and there's a better light distribution. I like it with this little candle. Here's very cool accessory for this stove. Plug it in, and now we have two, and it could be adjustable 3, so I could put the lantern on in case it's dark. I could have a lantern, it's kind of elevated, second stove, or I could just close it off in case I don't need it, keep it closed. And if I have this kind of stove, I could attach this to it real quick. Maybe should have attached the lamp last, but makes sense, right? Just plug this in as well. It goes in there really tight. There you go. And we have right here a stove and a lamp. So first of all, let's light up this side here. I have right here a lighter. Okay, we have right here a lantern on this side, and on this side would be a stove. So I'll twist it around, and we have right here a stove on that side. How cool is that? So we have stove and the light working together, and adjust and separate right here. I can make it smaller, bigger. Very cool. And then turn it off. So one big can run a couple of things, or 3 things actually. I got this kind of stove, but I got this different canister. So there is an adapter. It goes on like this, plugs in all the way. See if it'll fit. Raise the heat extender. There you go, plugs in, and let's see if it actually will work. And we have a really good flame. Wow, no problem. So just simmer it, boil water. There's a heat protector for this kind of canister, no problem. Works really well. Very powerful stove. And now it's adjustable for a different kind of canister. So just remove this, and I can remove that and use this for different one. And what I would do, so I don't lose that, is maybe kind of have it plugged in here, or have it with the pouch with this stove, so that way I have it for both kind of canister, this kind or this one. In case I don't have this kind, I could use this one, or if I run out and I have an extra of this one. So it's nice to have this kind of like connector accessory adapter. Very cool, very easy to put it on and off. Camping lantern with a stain. Look at that, so many stains, and it's can be blinked. There's a different moods. Ooh, I like this kind of like breathing. And what is this? Different colors as well, and flickering or voice activating. That is so cool. And there's a light one. I like it, and I can spin it out and keep going. Okay. Ooh, different color here too. And different color here. I could do yellow. That's so awesome. And just keep going. There's so much of it. Let's keep going. How far can we go? Wow. Oop. Now it's fully out. There's a red one. There's so much light. USB-C rechargeable, and all I have to do is just twist it and it will roll it back up. Oh, there's the little handle. You don't even notice that. That is so cool. It's bright. Can adjust it like this. I like it. Let's see how long it will take me to do this. Just like probably 30 seconds or so. It's very bright. Lock it in, and just a lantern. Beautiful. Turn it off. How do we turn it off? Press and hold, that's it. Little door. Lift up. Rechargeable. 2 colors. Gray on silver. And then there's a button. Flippable to the side for throw, flood, and UV. Okay. There's a button for the laser. Nice. And turn it on. Press and hold for different modes. Double click, turbo, and then same thing here. Different modes for the spotlight, turbo, and then we have right here. Oh wow, it looks like it's showing us how to charge the flashlight in. Black light, press and hold. It doesn't have turbo now. And then laser, we can use laser with the flashlight at the same time. Nice. Beautiful flashlight. Press and hold to turn it off. I like it. There's a clip and double clip for like a cap light plug-in. Press and hold. Nope. How do we turn it off? Press and hold to turn it off. No? Oh, there you go. Quick click to turn it off. Now I figured it out. Now I know how to do it. Yeah, beautiful magnetic bottom right here. Holds the flashlight really good, and rechargeable as well, or could be rechargeable right here. So 2 ways of recharging. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already.